Okay, this is how to make a guinea pig look beautiful. Sometimes they do it themselves, like Crunchy is, but sometimes you need to make them look beautiful because they get themselves all messy. Okay, first thing you'll need to make a guinea pig look beautiful is obviously a guinea pig. Long-haired guinea pig is best because then you can do stuff with its hair. Okay, you'll need to wash your guinea pig first in shampoo. Then, after you wash it, you'll need to thoroughly dry it with a hair dryer, but make sure you don't burn the poor guinea pig. Okay, after you dry it, you'll need a good quality guinea pig brush. Okay, then you brush the guinea pig and make sure you get out all the knots. But if there's a big knot that you can't get out with the brush because it hurts it, just get it out with your fingers. Okay, so after you've brushed your guinea pig, you'll need to get a good quality, well ours is kind of cheap, but a hair clip. Okay. You can put the hair clip anywhere, but we're going to put it on his forehead today because he's beautiful. So you just brush it all up, make sure it's nice and neat. And you get the hair clip. You can tie it up first if you like, but we don't really have a hair tie here, so just put it in his hair, and then you can puff it up a bit. Okay, after you've puffed it up, there you have one beautiful guinea pig. The end.